and slime.
Tech genius and excellent experiments.
Magic and mayhem.
Facts and fun.
Hello guys! Today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste.
What? You mean elephants brush their teeth?
No, Seth. This elephant toothpaste is like big enough for elephant to brush their teeth.
Oh, that makes more sense.
So the ingredients are yeast,
Dish soap,
hydrogen peroxide,
which we need help from an adult pouring or wear some safety goggles because it really is toxic and you don't want to get that stuff on your skin.
yes. We also need food coloring,
Stirring rod.
spatula. Let's get started.
So first we're going to take our spatula and add our food coloring,
I'm using pink.
and I'm using blue.
So we've already added the hydrogen peroxide and adult helped us with that.
Yeah, so we're just adding the food coloring now. I guess we're going to mix it a bit so that we can get the full color.
Then we're going to add the dish soap.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna add half and then give her the other half to pour inside. Over half. So I'm gonna add about
Just a little. Okay.
and then she'll add the rest. Let me just mix that a bit. Now it's like bubbly,
Yeah,
really cool.
because of the dish soap.
Yeah.
And then now for the final part.
So we're gonna put on our goggles because all scientists look good with goggles. So we're gonna put on our goggles, and also because this is very toxic. So when it shoots up at us, we don't want it entering our eyes and messing up our vision. So we're gonna
It looks really cool.
goggles. Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to add the yeast. Here goes it. Yes. Oh, yes.
Whoa.
There we go. What is wrong with yours?
Oh my gosh!
Yay!
Wow.
Look at mine. It's so
Hers is like
awesome.
a volcano, and mine's just mine just bubbles. I think it's maybe I added too little. And
Yeah, maybe.
Use your gloves because it's as you can see, it's steaming, so it's kind of hot.
Yeah. Should we mix?
Maybe
Yeah.
just like in the middle.
This is mix. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, it's so warm. Make sure you have gloves.
Yeah.
You don't want this on your skin.
Yeah. So Stacy, how does this work?
The hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen.
The yeast is a catalyst and makes the reaction happen more quickly than normal.
The dish soap makes water foamy and the food colors the bubbles.
We really enjoyed this experiment.
Yeah, and it was very fun and you guys should try it at home. But make sure you have adult supervision because this is toxic, and make sure you wear gloves. And make sure to tag us at semaslab, #PinkSquad. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is
Semaslab!
So Stacy, do you know what slime is?
Yes, it's my second most favorite thing in the world.
Well, guess what we're making today?
Slime?
Avocado slime.
The best avocado slime in the world! Yay, let's get started.
So for this slime recipe, you'll need glue,
Baking soda,
contact solution,
glitter,
food coloring.
and a spoon. So the first step is to pour glue,
So we're gonna take the top off so it's easier to squeeze all the glue into
and
the
we're
bowl.
going to put all of it.
Put it to the side.
Then we're going to add food coloring and then glitter.
Yeah. So, Stacy, what color do you think this is?
Orange,
No.
red,
No.
green.
Yeah.
It's green, what?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like green.
Well, the reason it's green is because it's avocado slime.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
I think that's enough mixing.
And then I'm going to add my most favorite thing in the world, glitter. Okay.
That's enough. Yeah.
And then the last, oh no, not the last
Not the
step.
last.
we're going to add
the
baking soda.
Just a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Should be enough.
Okay.
I think that's enough mixing. And the last ingredient is the contact solution, which we're going to measure using the spoon. So just going to pour that much in, and then mix. So now we're going to add a bit more and start actually doing it with our hand because it's easier.
Yeah, because slime should like be able to come off your hand like
Yeah.
really well.
Whoa, look. It's starting.
Okay, it's kind of sticky.
Whoa.
It is starting?
Yeah, you just gotta really play with it a lot
Oh.
until it starts becoming slimier. Whoa. I
So
haven't
fun to
ever
play
made
with.
slime in my life.
You've never?
Yeah.
It's my first time making avocado slime.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh wow, it's easy to pick up.
Yeah.
It's not really like it's oh wow. Yeah, now it's slime.
Wow. Now we have the best avocado slime in the world! Yay! This is awesome.
This was a really fun and cool experiment to do, and we love making this avocado slime, and you should try it at home because it's really easy and fun to do.
And slime is really awesome. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is semaslab. Children and adults of the world,
Humanity in general.
we have a very important message for you.
It is important to wash your hands often, and we're going to show you why in today's experiment.
Let's get started.
So the things you'll need for this experiment is water,
Soap
black pepper.
and a plate.
So the first thing we're going to do is take the water,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to pour it onto the plate, like so. That's fine.
And then we're going to take the black pepper and pour it inside. All of it.
Yeah. So we're going to show you what happens before we put the soap on our finger and after.
Yeah.
So as you can see, nothing really happens.
Yeah.
Now let's put the soap on. We put a little soap on top of our fingers.
Okay.
As you can see, when we touch the water, the black pepper moves away from our fingers.
Wow, that's so cool.
You can try that in any area. Try it.
Oh,
As you can see, it's
that is
really
so
cool.
cool.
So let's pretend that the black pepper is a virus or germs.
And the soap is a repellent.
You can see when we put the soap on our finger and we touch the black pepper, it goes away from our finger because we have soap on it.
And that's why it's important to wash your hands, because the germs move away from you and you become healthy.
This was a really cool demonstration of why it's important to wash your hands. Wasn't it, Stacy?
Yes, and this prevents you from getting sick. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is semaslab. Stay safe.
And stay super.
Ciao.
Hey guys, since a lot of people have been buying lots and lots of toilet paper for some reason,
We've found a really fun, creative, helpful way for using tissue roll. We're going to make a bird feeder.
so guys, for this craft you're gonna need tissue roll,
A string,
cooking fat,
gloves.
and for the grains we're gonna use sorghum seeds.
Let's get started.
So the first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna put on our gloves because
We
it's
don't
kinda-
want to get oily.
Yeah, we don't want our hands to be oily and stuff.
The first thing when he puts on his glove,
I'm trying to find a way to put it on.
we're going to take the fat and apply it on the tissue roll.
Ugh. Shouldn't we use just our hands because we have gloves on anyway?
Oh, okay. Can do that.
And it just takes some off. Oh, it feels weird.
Just put some on.
So now we're going to put the seeds all over it. So why don't we just roll it inside the plate so that...
You roll it.
Oh, I took off my glove. And now, you can see it's getting everywhere.
I just sprinkled
Cover
it.
Yeah. Just so that you get every single place. Wow.
So the cooking fat is working.
Yeah, it's like an edible glue.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's covered enough.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna take the string
Mhm.
and put it through like this.
There we go.
And so now we can like tie it onto a tree or something,
And then the birds will come,
and
yeah.
like they can even put their feet here and eat off of it. It'll be really cool, and it'll be very helpful because some birds, can't find stuff to eat, and this would be very good for them.
Yeah, and then you get to have the opportunity to see a lot of birds. Yeah.
So this was a really fun way of using tissue roll.
Yeah, and instead of throwing the tissue roll away, you can use it as a bird feeder. This is Seth.
This is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab.
Now let's go feed the birds.
Birdies!
Here you go, lunch!
So we're going to be doing the most famous experiment on YouTube.
Yeah, the Coke and Mentos. This experiment is so epic and so cool, and I love doing this experiment.
Let's get started. So for this experiment, we need, of course, Mentos.
Coca-Cola, and that's it. So
And you can like.
yeah,
okay,
we made like a rig.
Yep.
We made like this rig so that we can just insert it, because inserting it one by one will be too slow and the eruption will already be happening. Yeah, so we have goggles so that when it
We don't
sprays
get it,
up,
right.
we don't get it in our eyes.
So we're gonna do this together, right?
Yeah.
So how do we do this? Put the string inside or what?
I think we're gonna put the string inside and then lower it in really fast.
Wait a second. Just put this.
Okay, are you ready?
You're too excited, Seth.
Okay, wait, we gotta lower it
You have to
inside,
be
like
careful.
yeah, like that. Okay, ready?
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay,
This is the
ready?
moment we've all been waiting for.
Okay, ready?
And
Go, 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 go.
oh my god!
Oh my god.
Whoa, that was so cool!
I want to drink it.
Me too! Like, I wonder how it tasted Mentos inside. Whoa!
This is crazy.
This is so cool!
Ugh.
Wow!
It's spilling all over the place.
This is worth it. Like, what?
So Stacy, how does this work?
Okay, so it works like this. So the carbon dioxide in the drink mixes with the carbon dioxide in the Mentos, and it makes this big explosion.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah, it is very cool.
We really, 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 really love this experiment.
And I hope you guys do it at home, but make sure you do it somewhere where you can clean up because this is really messy, but it's worth it. And tag us, #Semaslab. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this was Semaslab. Seth, what is that?
It's a raw egg.
What?
It's a raw bouncy egg, and we're gonna make it in today's experiment.
Yay! Let's get started.
So for the glowing bouncing egg, we're gonna need 3 glasses,
Vinegar,
spatula,
stirring rod,
3 raw eggs,
food coloring.
and a flashlight.
First, we're going to pour the vinegar into 3 of the glasses.
Till about halfway. Then we're gonna take the food color, and I think this is brown.
Looks like red.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
brown.
it's brown.
And
Now
then,
we're going to stir.
yeah, and then I'm gonna add the red, orange. I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, that's
I
orange.
was right.
Now we're gonna mix. And we're gonna leave this one without any food color.
Yes.
Now we're gonna add the eggs into the jars
And very slowly to make it.
and fully submerge the egg in the vinegar.
Yeah. Oh, yes. And it looks looks bigger.
Yeah, it looks bigger inside the glass. But yeah, this one you can't even see the egg anymore. And yeah, now we're gonna wait at least 24 hours. You can leave it in for longer and it'll get bouncier, but we're gonna wait at least 24 hours and we'll get back to you when it's done.
It's been 24 long hours and now we're going to see the end result.
So we're gonna pour out the glasses.
Be careful with the...
Ooh.
Oh my god.
And there's the egg.
Oh, wash
Oh, it's so slippery.
So we're gonna take out the other egg. Oh my god. I don't like it. And then the
Oh my
brown
gosh.
or black egg. Oh my god. Okay, you're gonna wash this also? Because I don't want to.
Oh my gosh, I'm spilling water everywhere. And here is the end result. We have a clear egg, a red egg, and a brown egg. Brown egg. Oh!
Oh no!
Well, yeah, that's one of the things that will happen. So, that's why we did 3, because they're very squishy and break very easily. So we're gonna take a torch and put it under. And I did not wash this correctly, so it's not showing anything.
Okay.
Lucky for you, I always keep it there. Lucky I keep an egg in my pocket. Okay. So I'm just gonna wash this one. The light is shining through the egg and it makes the egg glow and it's really cool. And let's test it with, oh yeah.
Try this one.
So now that there's a flashing light, looks like a flashing light, but it's just an egg. And then there's a red light that makes it kind of red. And then the stable light.
So Seth, how does this work?
The vinegar dissolves the eggshell and the egg expands slightly because the membrane is semi-permeable.
Which means it allows fluid to pass through it, a process called osmosis.
The increased fluid inside the egg makes it bouncy and it easier for light to pass through the egg. We really, really, really love doing this experiment.
Even if I don't like eggs, it was really fun. And remember to tag us on #semaslab. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this was
Semaslab.
Hello guys, this is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is
Semaslab.
Today we're going to be making a lava lamp. So Seth, have you ever seen a lava lamp in a store?
Yeah, I've always wanted one.
Yeah, me too. They're so cool.
Yeah.
So the ingredients for this lava lamp are fizzing tablets,
Flashlight,
food color,
vegetable oil,
water,
spatula,
starring wood.
and glass.
Let's get started. So first you're going to put the water into the glasses, like a quarter.
Now we're gonna put the vegetable oil. About there.
There we go. And then we're gonna put the food color.
So it'll look really cool. You see how the food coloring is dropping through the oil, and then it'll like, oh wow. Wow. Now we're gonna add the fizzing tablets, which is gonna finish the lava lamp.
And then we take the torch.
Hold it under.
And there we go. So pretty.
I'm pretty sure it glows in the dark too. So Stacy, how does this work?
Well, water and oil do not mix.
And the fizzing tablets bubble up the water and we get this beautiful result.
And when you put the torch under, it makes this beautiful effect.
Yeah. We really, really, really love doing this experiment.
Make sure you do this at home because it's very easy and it's very good decoration. And remember to tag us at #semaslab.
And don't forget to check out our other videos up here.
Yeah. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is
Semaslab.
Seth, I know one of your favorite things is making explosions.
Please tell me in today's experiment we're making an explosion.
Yes, we are.
Yay!
Today we're going to be making a fountain. For the experiment, we'll need baking soda,
Vinegar,
a spatula,
food coloring,
a funnel.
and a bottle.
Let's get started. So first we put in the baking soda.
Let me hold the bottle.
And we're gonna put it up to like here.
Oh my gosh. Let me try to empty some of this.
Just shake it. Ooh, it's snowing. I think it's fine. Now for the second part, we're going to put in the
Food coloring.
use the spatula.
Yeah.
Just scoop some. What color do you think that is?
Red.
No, it's orange. I know it looks like red.
Wow.
Just put a little. And you don't need to mix. Then now we're going to use the funnel. So I'm gonna hold the funnel and then he's gonna
first,
Oh
safety
yeah, goggles. Because scientists look awesome with goggles. Goggle girl. Okay. Now you put.
And now it's time for the eruption.
Here we go. Wait a second. Okay, let's go.
Hold it
3,
up a bit so that when it starts falling.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Ah!
It was orange.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
Vinegar. I smell it.
That was cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Can we add more?
Let's add more. There we go. More. Very fast. Very fast.
It's exactly like a volcano.
Yeah.
Wow. So Stacy, how does this work?
The baking soda is the base, while the vinegar is an acid.
And when they mix, they form a solution that breaks apart into carbon dioxide and water.
Yeah. This creates the fountain as the carbon dioxide escapes.
Wow, this was really fun to make.
And you should try it at home.
And tell us how it goes in the comments down below.
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time. This is Stacy.
This is Seth.
And this was Sema's Lab.
See ya.
Stay focused, Stacy. We have work to do.
Oh, today we're going to be changing the color of white roses. The ingredients are
Water,
a white rose,
food color,
3 glasses,
a spatula.
and a stirring rod. Let's get started.
So first you're gonna wanna take the water and put about half. That should be enough.
And then you're going to put food color of your choice. So we're going to use the spatula. I think this is red. And then we're going to, no, don't use that. Stirring. Use this one. We're going to stir it. And then put it in the other one. And then the last color.
Yeah, it's brown.
Okay.
And now
I'm gonna put the flowers inside. I want this. Okay.
And now we're gonna wait about 8 to 12 hours and we'll see the end result.
It's been 12 hours and look at the result.
Wow, they're so beautiful.
Yeah. I wonder if they smell different.
This is one of the roses before the experiment and compare them. It's so crazy, so cool. This is brown. So use like more lighter colors like yellow and red and blue and green and all those colors and you'll get like an amazing result. Today we learned how plants absorb water.
Just like the flowers absorb the colored water from the glass, plants use the same process to absorb water from soil.
This process is called capillary action. This was a really fun experiment to do and really cool.
And this is artsy and it's also science.
We really love doing this experiment.
Make sure to do it at home and tag us at #semaslab.
This is Stacy,
This is Seth.
and this was
Semaslab.
So Stacy, did you know that some substances can be a liquid and a solid at the same time?
What? I didn't know that. I thought solid can only be a solid and a liquid can only be a liquid and a gas can only be a gas.
Well, that's where you're wrong. Today we're going to be making magic goo, which can be a solid and a liquid at the same time.
I'm so excited to see that. Let's get started.
So for this experiment, you're going to need cornstarch,
Water,
food coloring,
glitter,
and a bowl. So first, you're going to take the cornstarch and add it.
Oh, I heard this can also be called oobleck.
Yeah. Now we're gonna add some water slowly by slowly until we have the perfect substance.
So we got another bucket because it's not
Yeah, we
working.
added a bit too much water, so I'm just gonna add a bit more so that we can mix.
There we go. I think it's done.
Yeah, can I punch it?
Yeah. Oh,
As you can see, my hand doesn't even go through. It's like punching a
let
rock.
me try. Was it painful?
Not really.
It's not painful.
Whoa.
Okay.
Now, as you can see, I can grab some, right? And then I can like roll it into a bowl. And as you can see, it's like a solid, right? And then when I stop, it just goes out of
Yeah.
my hand.
And then if you put your hand really slowly, you'll
Yeah.
sink. Ooh.
But if I like
Oh.
rush to it, it doesn't.
So we're gonna add some food coloring. Okay.
It's so weird.
How much do we add?
Just a bit. I don't think it needs that much. Yeah,
That?
a bit less. But no, just pour a bit, yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Oh, wow. This is such a fun experiment.
Very.
Okay, I'm gonna add the glitter now. We're using purple glitter.
Yeah.
Just put some, like that much.
Whoa. I like that.
So shiny.
Yeah.
Then now mix it up. And then you can play with it.
I'm sinking.
Now we're gonna get another bowl. Then
Yeah.
show
I'm
you.
gonna show you
Yeah.
pouring it.
You
It's
pour
like a
it.
liquid. Okay. Whoa. What? That's so weird. It's like, let's pour it back. Whoa. I did not know that. It does that. So when you're done with this and you don't want to play with it anymore, don't pour it down the sink like a liquid because it can cause blockage when it hardens inside of the pipes. So you want to throw it away like a solid.
I wanna play with this all day.
Yeah. This was so much fun and we really love this experiment.
And I hope you guys try it at home and tag us at #semaslab. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is Semaslab. Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.